Now the dribble is a move used both in Magic and cardistry. For Magic you'll have something like the Dribble Force, and for cardistry you'll have both Waterfall and the Anaconda, which I've taught both of those moves on this channel, and I'll leave them in the description if you want to learn them. But let's just learn the dribble for now. So first let's start with the grip. You're going to start with it here with the thumb on the bottom, your 3 fingers on the top, and your index finger along the left long edge like so. You're going to have your thumb more diagonal along the back edge, so it'll be more like this, where it's almost diagonal here from the bottom corner to the top corner right here like this. And then for the top portion of it, you'll actually be above the deck. You will have the deck beveled instead of being straight over. It'll be beveled over like this for your index finger to sit on it like so. And these 3 fingers will be all tilted this way as well and not straight up. So it will be sitting off to the side. Once you have the grip here like this, you're going to have your left hand catch it like this, where it catches it with your pinky like it's on a stand. The best way to think about this is like a book when you're just flipping through the pages and you're just going through all the pages like this and you're just trying to find a specific one. It's more the same concept just like you would for the riffle shuffle. So if you ever try to do this shuffle, it's going to be the same concept where you're just riffling up from the back. So if you don't know how to do that, first just hold it here and you're just going to pull down 1 card and see how many cards you can get down like that. So start with this just for starters and just try and fold down the cards. Just riffle up the cards, and once you have that down, you can move to the next thing. Once you can then dribble the cards like that, now we're going to get a little bit of distance to about something like this. So the first thing you're going to want to do is of course not bend it up like here. You're going to want to go straight up in the air. Now when I do it, I'm about 2 inches up, and that's actually where I'm going to start. I don't go from the bottom to the top like I do in the Anaconda. I just move my hand up in the grip already placed, and then I dribble the cards. Now you also don't want it just flat. What I do is I bring my thumb up higher than every other of the 4 points. So I take these 4 points, we'll call them 1, 2, 3, and 4, with my thumb being number 1. I'm going to have that point be the highest, and then I'll dribble it from there. And it just gives it a little bit of a layered dimension. Now I don't start there, I'm going to start more flat and then I'll end up there by the end of the dribble. So I start here and then I bring it up as I go. Now just for the sake of the argument, I'm going to have you call out stop, and let's see if I can get you to select the 10 of spades. So let's say you called out stop right there. It would be a truly free choice and you now have the 10 of spades. So that is what the dribble force looks like. Of course, I've already shown you the Anaconda and the waterfall move in this intro. So if you want to check out any of these things, this is going to be the channel for you if you're wanting to learn all sorts of cardistry. So make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you can get notified when a video drops every single week, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. This is Card Perfect, signing off. Plus, if you want these cards right here, they are 10% off in the description below.